Good morning student, as in continuation with chapter number 4. So today in this video we are going to discuss about another type of disorder which is known as schizophrenia. It is a mental disorder in which disorganized thought processes and disturbed behavior can be seen by an individuals who suffer from schizophrenia. So children, schizophrenia is one of the most complex, chronic and challenging of psychiatric disorders. And a person who suffers from schizophrenia, he is unable to distinguish between what is real and unreal experience. Now children, let us know the proper definition of schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a descriptive term for a group of psychotic disorder in which personal, social and occupational functioning deteriorate as a result. Disturbed thought processes, strained perception, unusual emotional states and motor abnormalities can be seen. So children, the term psychotic means mental illness. So a person is unable to carry out his daily routine work in a normal manner. On the other hand, he is unable to do good in his occupational life. And children, these all changes can be seen due to improper functioning of the brain. And a person who suffers from schizophrenia vary in its symptoms, and these symptoms comprises of positive symptoms, negative symptoms, psychomotor symptoms, and person also suffers from delusions and hallucinations. Now children, talking about the positive symptoms, excess of thought, emotions and behavior can be seen, which means the thought processes which can be seen, it is away from normal. On the other hand, talking about negative symptoms, deficit of thought, emotions and behavior can be seen, which means when a person suffers from negative symptoms, he keeps himself isolated and person does not show any kind of reactions to a particular situation. Now children, talking about another type of symptoms which is psychomotor symptoms. This is a symptoms in which a person make odd grimaces and odd gestures which are not normal. Either a person would in front of the mirror and laugh, which is not normal. On the other hand, many people with schizophrenia develop delusion. Students, let us know what is delusions. Delusions are the false belief that is held on inadequate grounds, which means people may develop false belief at any point of time in his life. For example, a person who develops delusions, he may believe that his actions are controlled by other person in reality, but it is not true. And person who suffers from schizophrenia develops different types of delusions that are: number 1, delusion of persecution are the most common in schizophrenia. People with this delusion believe that they are being plotted against, spied on, threatened, attacked, or deliberately victimized. On the other hand, when a person suffers from delusion of reference, he attach personal meaning to the actions of others, which means when something good is happening in his life, he might give meaning of those things to the other person, but in reality which is not true. Now person who suffers from delusion of grandeur, they have a belief that they are empowered person, which means they have some imaginary powers. On the other hand, a person who suffers from delusion of control, they believe that their feeling, thoughts and actions are controlled by others. So children, people with schizophrenia may not be able to think logically and may speak in a peculiar way, and these formal thought disorders can make communication extremely difficult. On the other hand, people with schizophrenia also develops hallucination, means hearing of voices. Patients hear sounds or voices that speak a word, phrases and sentence directly to the patient. In tactile hallucinations, forms of tingling and burning take place, whereas in somatic hallucinations, people have a belief that something is happening inside their body, such as snake is crawling inside one's stomach. On the other hand, talking about the visual hallucinations, vague perceptions of color or distinct visions of people or object can be inferred. In gastric hallucination, food or drink taste is quite strange for an individual. In olfactory hallucinations, person feels smell of poison or smoke to be strange. So children, as I've discussed about different types of delusions and hallucinations suffered by a schizophrenic person. So children, kindly make a note of this in your notebook.